Hi guys! Happy New Year! So, mamaya, ngayon December 31 at mamaya January 1 na. Tapos ngayon, kami. Anong ginawa natin mga kapatid?
Nag-set up for the dogs para di sila ma-stress masyado sa pagtutok.
Tapos, ayan, may weighted blanket. Para pwede sila magtago dito, sa ilalim ng table.
Yung blanket
May
makakatulong
blanket.
sa dampening ng sound.
Ano ulit?
Yung blanket makakatulong sa dampening ng sound.
Ito, gusto nito tao katabi. Stress siya, pero gusto nito tao katabi. Diba? Tapos si Cho, gusto dyan. And then sa ilalim, merong boosh. And then
I mean, stress or not?
Most likely
sa
stress.
kulungan nila.
Hindi like relaxed or...
I mean, relax. Hindi siya masyadong
Hi, Percy. And look who's here. The big dog.
Not here, kulong.
Hi guys. So it's already 9:40, and this is the first time ever nung New Year's Eve na nagkaroon ako ng sakit. And this is the first time ever na hindi ako excited. Kasi gusto ko lang matulog, gusto ko pahinga. Ang sakit ng ilong ko, ang sakit ng ulo ko.
1 hour later.
So it's already 11 p.m. and medyo gumana naman na yung yung gamot. So as you can see, I'm wearing maroon. Pang bahay, pantulog from Uniqlo. Ganun din suot nila daddy, mommy, Ilo. Magkakaterno kami. And, syempre, pambahay siya. Color theme namin sa family, Dizon family ay maroon. Ayan, it's maroon. Tapos, medyo stinal ko na lang siya para medyo hindi plain masyado. So, ayan. Tapos, mag-shoes na lang ako. Shoes ko ay 327 New Balance. Hello, these are my cousins. This is Kuya Nico. Please explain what you're doing.
Karkuchi board.
Hello! Look at our damit. Manita-manita. At ang mga gift. Picture, Happy New Year, Diso 2025. Gifts per family. Ito ang magkakapatid. Wala si Tito Francis kasi nasa United States siya.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, 30 seconds left. Happy New Year! This is Danica. Nakain na tayo. Let's go!
Happy New Year, everyone! So, ngayon, mag-ready kami mag-picture sa dining kasi kakain na kami. So, ito yung setup namin. Ganito yung tsura niya. Ito. Show mo, show. Yum! Say hi.
Hi.
Hi! Eh, parang nasa bar.
It's my first time.
Really? Oh my God!
Right, say hi. Hello.
Guys, parang sumikat sa TikTok. Brian, pakita ka na. Pakita ka na. Parang sumikat sa TikTok.
Charcuterie. Ooh. How's the charcuterie?
Very good. It's very good.
Gusto mo masama sa vlog?
Sorry.
So, ba't ka maarte ngayon, Gwen? I just heard you kanina. Oh, really? You got grumpy?
Yep.
Say hi. Let's have a salad first. Okay, so one thing about me. Like, kapag holidays, I don't get fat because I get overwhelmed sa food. Ang dami food na unti lang kakainin ko. Ganun siya. Well, which is kind of a good thing kasi hindi ako nag-i-indulge na sobrang dami. Kaya ngayon, oh my gosh. I mean, pansin ko every time na may celebration or something, sobrang dami ng food. I just eat a little.
Okay, hi. It's me again. Kakatapos ko lang kumain. And the next thing we're gonna do is...
Gift giving.
What? Monito?
Monito monita.
Yeah, monito monita. Yun tawag namin sa exchange gift namin. So, dito na siya nakalagay. Separate siya sa gifts ng per family. So, yan. Mag-start na kami na while, pero kulang pa kami. So, yeah.
Ay, hindi nakita na first time. After that. After tayo.
Oh!
Pwede pa hawak?
Hindi, tatapat ko sa'yo.
Yes. Wala siya dito.
Ate Kaki.
Everyone knows.
Yay!
Ay, regalo, gaga. Hindi mo inabot.
Kay Tita Ria.
Kay Tita Ria nga.
Doon.
2025, nalutang ka pa rin, girl.
Thank you. Okay, nakuha ko si Ate Colette. Hello, it's not hindi siya Pandora.
Nakuha ko si Bella.
For the friendships are real.
I got Ate Aika again.
I got...
I got
Bakit wala na? Labot ka. Hindi pa lang sa'yo.
Sino kasi?
I got Clarence. Tama ba?
Clarence. Pag ako lang natanggap.
Wala na. Nakakami na ulo.
I got Ate.
Ikaw nga walang nakalit, sir.
I got her.
Ano ba yan? Ako na.
Sa akin si Ben.
Bakit lang kayo?
Sa akin si Dan.
Pamilya ka pa rin namin.
Nabunot ko si... Gwen! Wait, si Brian!
You're...
Gwen, ano? I got Ate Dahil.
Thank you.
Meron na ba lahat?
Paano nalaman na ikaw?
Ito, nakatingin siya sa akin. Ako, I got...
Si Brian wala pa eh.
O, basta Teo.
Right.
I got... Kuya Nico ulit.
Si Brian! Okay na.
So, open my gift. So, pakita ko mamaya yung wishlist ko or ilalapag ko dyan. Wishlist ko. Let's try and open it. Ano kaya to? Panty?
Sige, sirain mo na yan, girl. Kasi yung dumi
I don't get it. Like, ano wishlist ko na to? Pero sige. It's from Gwen.
Ilagay yung ayos-ayos tayong lahat.
Hindi ko mahulaan.
Oh.
Cake.
Siyempre, karton lang yan, girl. Oh. K95! K95 mask for clinics. Yay! Ayan. Pambili mo ng panty mo. Sige.
Manito. Happy New Year! KN95 masks. I need this for clinics. Thank you. Ito, pambili ko doon ng panty. Gift card? Yes, it's a gift card! Wow! H&M gift card! Yay! Pambili ng panty!
Okay, right now we're doing the gift giving per family. So we already had the exchange gift. Now each family will give their gift to the cousins and or titas and titos. So now we're starting with the host, which is sila Bella / Brian. As you can see, Bella is giving the gift to one of the cousins. everyone's waiting for their gifts.
So, kada isang tao, ilan ma-receive niya?
Minimum 5 families. Sorry, 6 families. Or actually 6 if magbigay ng yung family mo ng gift sa'yo.
Last year or last year, binubuksan ko yung gift after na makuha ko lahat ng gifts. Pero ngayon, bubuksan ko siya agad pagka-receive ko habang nagbibigayan sila sa likod. Well, it's ibang family pa naman today. Ooh, what's this? What's this? Oh my gosh! Ay, wait, what's this? It's from... Oh my god! Oh my god! Yay! I need this so bad. I need this so bad. Thank you, Dizonario family, for giving me the straight no-speed handpiece for dentistry. Well, lahat naman ng wishes ko for dentistry. So, yay! Kasi nasira na siya.
Okay. So, majority for gifts are actually camping chairs, as you can see. Because we go to the cemetery a lot. And wala lang, para everyone has a chair. I hope it lasts. At least for the year.
Okay, from Guevara Dizon family, thank you so much. Kila Ate Joanne, Tanjo, Danica. Let's see, let's open them. Ooh! Okay, this is for dentistry too. Definitely. Ano siya? Oh my god. Sa clinics. Diba? Multicolored pens. And usually, naubos ko agad yung black and blue kasi yun yung kailangan. So, refill ng aking collectible pen. Yay! I'm happy for this. I need this kasi ubos na. And I was really waiting for New Year para hindi ako bumili. And another KN95 masks, which I need naman talaga. Kasi yung required sa amin. Yes, ball pens. I mean, refills. Ito naman ay from the BD Zones. So, Kuniko, Nika, Clarence, Ate Colleen. Oh my gosh!
Pinapakan mo naman ako, Cesar.
Socks. I need socks. Kay Clarence. Ano ba to? Kay Clarence.
Kay Clarence. Where's Clarence? Ito pala. Kay Bella. Where's Bella? Sorry. To Gwen. From Ate Aika. To Ate Joanne.
Sabihin mo, pwede na sa upo.
May upuan na kayo. Kuya Nico.
Ay, thank you.
Ganun sa kanya.
Besa.
Ate Ethel. Ate Colette.
Thank you! Okay na
What is it?
Buhay mo, Brian!
Yan, yung iba nag-open na ng gift. And yung iba sila-save for later. Okay. From Pumahig Dizon. Grabe. Oh my gosh, tissue! I need this for clinics. And I need it now. I won 300 pesos from the roulette. Yeah.
Plus 5 si Brian.
So, update lang yung kasama ng tissue, may nakatikit sa likod. Gift card from H&M as well. So, kayo ko lang nakita. Woo! Yay! More panty to come.